You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to have tribes of Israel. If you want to learn more confusing names from the Bible, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to listen to and learn from. The tribe of Dan, otherwise known as the Danites. Danites. Some may say it as Danites. Could be as well. Danites. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.